Welcome guys, this is Claudette with Miss Puff Creative Corner and I am partaking in Jill Norwood Saturday Morning Makes. I'll leave Jill information in the description box below. Anyone could partake. But these are some cards that I created. I'm doing a swap and I am swapping 10 Christmas cards. And I was inspired by, let's see, on Pinterest, I was inspired by Inky Bee Stampers, and she created a card similar to this. The only thing, she had a gingham print in the back, and I didn't have that gingham print. But I love the color combinations that she used, and she used the Real Red by Stampin' Up. These are by Stampin' Up, and then she used the Pretty Peacock, this greenish blue cardstock. So I love those color combinations. So we use that. I use that color combination throughout the card. So I'm going to show you, and then this is the inside of the card. So I create 10. I'm going to go ahead and mail those out today. I'm going to show you the products that I use. So this is the ink here in the Pretty Peacock, and then the red, the Real Red. Stampin' Up have several different tones of red. And then I use the Real Red. So those are the inks, and you could see the cardstock that I use. I also use this white linen ribbon to create the bow, and that is too by Stampin' Up. Then I use some red rhinestones by Stampin' Up to add to it. Then since I didn't have the gingham designer series papers that she used, I use this Spots and Dots die by Stampin' Up, which is pretty cool because you could create two tones that you may not have. So for instance, this cuts out like this, so it makes all those holes so you can create polka dots of different colors, and then you add whichever color you want to the back of it, like you see that white, and you get that look. So imagine all the possibilities you could go do with that. And that is a nice die. I really do like that. And then I use this. This is a retired die set. They have the stitch squares, the ovals, and the circles by Stampin' Up. And then let's see, I think I used that size to create the square on the top of the face of the card. This was an online exclusive stamp set by Stampin' Up, and they had the coordinating punch to go with it, but that was sold out, and I don't think they'll be back until October, which is a little bit from now. But this is the stamp set that I use, Trucking Along by Stampin' Up. And to create so many cards, I use my stamping platform. This is by Stampin' Up, and this is called the Stamparatus, and they don't sell this any longer. But those are the products that I use, and these are the cards that I created for my card swap. And again, I was inspired by Inky Bee Stampers, and I saw this style, almost exact design on Pinterest. So I give her credit for that. So that's just to show you may see something that you like, but you may not have the exact thing. But look around in your supplies and see how you could recreate something similar to that. I hope you guys got creative value from today's video. Go ahead and put in hashtag #SatMornMakes to see the other creators' design. Thank you guys for tuning in. This is Claudette, and I will catch you on my next video.